In this video, you'll learn how to build, edit, and explore business glossaries in Qlik Answers. Instead of manually creating terms and categories one by one, you can describe what you need, and the agent does the heavy lifting for you. Before you get started, make sure these prerequisites are in place. Your tenant and subscription must support Qlik Answers. Your tenant must have cross-regional inference enabled and be configured for the agentic Qlik Answers experience. You must also have the required permissions. The agentic AI data governance permission must be set to allowed by your tenant administrator. To manage glossaries, you need either the steward built-in security role or the Manage Glossaries and Approve Terms permission set to Allowed. Open Answers, and in the drop-down menu, select Glossary. The Business Glossary Manager is now ready to help you explore and manage your business glossaries. Let's start by exploring what glossaries are already available. The agent will return a list of all glossaries you have access to. To explore a specific glossary in more detail, ask, "Show me details for the Sales and Contracts glossary." You can also ask the agent to explain a specific term. For example, "Help me understand what gross profit means." The agent uses the glossary definition to provide the explanation. One of the most powerful features is the automatic glossary generation. You can generate a glossary from an existing application, a data product, or start with a blank one. When generating a glossary from a data product, the agent prompts you to link the glossary to that product automatically. If you prefer to start from scratch, you can create a blank glossary. Type, "Create a glossary named Finance Terms in my personal space." This creates an empty glossary that you can populate manually or through follow-up prompts. You can manage existing glossaries directly through the agent. For example, to update the overview of the glossary you're currently working with, type, "Replace the current glossary overview." The agent guides you through the update process. You can also manage individual terms and categories within a glossary. For example, you can add, remove, rename, or update terms and categories using natural language prompts. You can link glossary terms to datasets and data products to improve discoverability across your data catalog. The agent guides you through the linking process and confirms the changes before applying them. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.